Hello developers, welcome to the second session of Python programming. I am doing coding in a new platform which is called PyCharm, and I am going to show the installation and usage of it. Open your Chrome browser and search for ide.pycharm. When you search for it, you will get a professional website of IDE PyCharm which is of JetBrains. When you click on it, you will see an option called download, and you will have an option for Windows, macOS and Linux. So here you can download the free trial or you can check out the paid trial. So as I have already downloaded the PyCharm, I am not going to download it. After the installation of the PyCharm, you can see the icon of PyCharm in this way. When you double click on it, the PyCharm will start to get open. And as you have seen here, all my files are reloading, and here I have two projects and I'm going to show you one of the project. You can check out how many projects you have developed here, and I have already developed one project which has nothing in it. So this is the project, and I'm going to show you how to create a new project also. So left click on the console. So go to the file and you can see here an option called new. When you click on it, you will get different options: file, new scratch file, directory, Python package, Python file, HTML file, edit config file, resource bundle. So as you are doing the Python, so I'm going to select the Python and it will ask you to name it, and I'm going to name it as test Python. So as you have seen here, the test Python has opened. So this is the run area where you can give the program or command. So when you run your program, be careful that you run only the window which you are using. So to check out about it, you have to left click on the window, and as you have seen here, I have the run test option, and when I run the test, here it will show nothing because I did not give any command. So now when I will give the command, it will start to print my value, which is 70. So in PyCharm, you can see the errors which you have done in a program. So I'm going to do an error. I'm going to write print. Actually, it has no value and it's not any command. And I'm not going to give any command or any colon for the string. So as you have seen here, it gave me a red line. So and it is showing here the errors also, 4 errors, 1 week warning. So if you don't want it to print, you can just turn it off and it will not print, it will not show any error for you. But as of not showing the error also, there will be error in your program. And you can see here after removing the error, it's showing that the syntax is invalid. So if you want to turn it on back, don't click on it, just go near it and click on all problems so that you can check it. And now I'm going to make the program correct. I will give the colon for print also. So you can give here a single colon or the double colon. and it did print my value, which is and. So now let's try another program, which is a calculator program. But before trying the calculator program, let's discuss about the data types. So starting with the first data type, which is the string data type or text data type. So the text data type is any letter, word or a sentence. So I'm going to give you an example of it, and it is print hello viewers. So don't ever click enter. If you click enter, it will go to the next line. And for the shortcut of run, you can see here it's showing me shift plus F10. So what I'm going to do is I'll try the shortcut. I'm not going to press the run button directly, and it did print the short with the shortcut also. So hello viewers is a string value. Any letter, word or a sentence belongs to a string value. And if you see, I have given a value which is an integer value or numeric value, and when I print the number 78, it will print my integer value. So you can ask me a question that how to find whether a value is string value or an integer value, because there are not only two types of values but there are many more. So we'll discuss about them in our further sessions. So I'm going to tell you how to find out that whether an value is string value or an integer value. Just you have to type type in front of the value, and you have to close it in circular brackets. So it should not be in capitals. And it is showing me that the value which I have give is an integer value. So if I make it into a string value, let's see what it tells you. So I have given an string value, and I'm going to run this. So here it is showing that class string. So whenever you want to check that whether an value is string value or an integer value, you can just type and you can keep the value in circular brackets. The type command can be used when you convert an integer value into a string value or into any other data types. So in that position you should not confuse. So at that time you can use the command type. So, before talking about the next topic, I'm going to tell you about something very much interesting. So, as you have seen here, something called terminal. In this terminal, you can download any package like uh, Wikipedia and Yarn, Wrap, Ultrama, Windshell. These all are different types of packages which is used in different platforms. So if you want to know more about them, you can just click on them once. So I'm going to check about Wikipedia, how it works and what is the use of it. So the developer gives us the information that how to use the command and how to make it. So here the developer gave me how to use it. So this Wikipedia can open any website automatically. So I will even show you how to open any website automatically, how to control your mouse with the help of Python, and many other interesting things like this. So if you want to install the Wikipedia, either you will get an option here. I already did install it, so I'm not getting the option here. But if you want to install it, you can just click pip install Wikipedia. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it near the terminal. So here, as you have seen, I did paste it and it's responding for me, but you have to wait a little bit, and it is showing me that requirements are already satisfied. It means that I have already downloaded the Wikipedia, so you need not do anything. You can just run your program easily, and you can find many other interesting packages here. And here in the problem section, you can see if there is any errors in project or in the current file. So this is the Python console, and this is the run list where your program will run. So I will show you the example of it also. Print 90, and I'm going to use the shortcut, and it did print 90 in run. So if you get any problem or error, you can just click on modify run, and it will open like this and you can check out on it. And not only in this way, you can also install packages with the help of settings, which is here. And I did open the settings, and this is the current project which I'm working on. And here it is showing me many packages like pyqt5, and there are many projects and which are used in very important places also. So you can do many things with Python, but you just need to learn it. So now, before ending our session, I'm going to say something interesting, that in our next session, I'm going to show a brief explanation on how to create an app with Python. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that whenever I keep my video, it reaches to you directly. Keep following us.